I have had breakfast. I have had? Why do we say I have had? We use I have had in something called present perfect tense. To make present perfect tense, we use subject, have or has, and the third form of the verb. For example, I have driven a car, or I have taken a shower. We mostly use present perfect tense for things that happened in the past, when the time period that they happened in is still continuing right now. For example, today, this week, this month, or this year. And again, when using present perfect tense, we always use the third form of the verb. So if our main verb is have, first we need have or has, and then we need the third form of have, which is had. And that is how we get I have had. Also, you can say I have had breakfast or I have eaten breakfast. They mean the same thing.